Yeah, what's up, web game? Bullshit think that I killed the bastard with Barack Obama, Southeast Side, motherfucking street life. Yep, and George double victims Bush. It's a motherfucking double rhyme. Every day I'm hustling, playing what I say, man. That Bush have my motherfucking cash tag. Cops thinking with the World Bank in Washington, and this is the motherfucking cash spin. You are dead. Fuck Elias, Ellie Golding, John Elias, yep, and Bush, yep. Motherfucking bitches came me close off motherfucking metal electrons is so scarce only there what I representing for the streets us and the gangsters international. Hey, you give your hand what I do with you are Kennedy. Bush talk maybe a motherfucking weapon. And this is the motherfucking case pin. Idiot. Yeah. Hardcore motherfucking export from the GA to the ghetto, from the Guantanamo to the ghetto. Passport check of motherfucking metal electrons. Yep, Bush, the word bullet. Yes, yes, yo. Yep, good. Yep, and George double victims, boss. 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 Representing and playing for the streets and the gangsters international. Give me any I do it. You are Kennedy. What's to say for me? Bush talk maybe a motherfucking weapon. And this is the motherfucking case pin. This is my case pin. Idiot. Swear, man. Please.